What is your goal, dream, or any idea that keeps popping up in your head all the time? Maybe there is a reason it will not leave you alone. Hello, everyone. I'm Deeksha, and welcome to my channel Stronger with Deeksha. This is my first ever YouTube long form video. So, firstly, I would like to thank all my subscribers that have decided to stay with me in this journey and showing me that I'm not alone. So, to introduce myself, I'm Deeksha Dadlani. I'm a certified personal trainer from American College of Sports Medicine, ACSM. I'm also a former entrepreneur. I have worked in the corporate for about 5 years in Singapore in the education sector, and I have decided to change my career at the age of 32. So, today's video is actually on a topic that is very, very close to my heart, and it is not really going to be so much about fitness. But before I start the video, I have a question for you. Have you ever felt like everybody around you is kind of moving forward and you are starting from scratch? Because that's how I felt at the age of 32. So, we hear a lot of stories about success, about people following their dreams, about them taking a leap of faith, and everything working out beautifully, right? But nobody really talks about the messy middle, the uncertainty, and the self doubt. Basically, the reality of your peers achieving everything in life and being extremely blissful while you are trying to figure out what's your purpose. If you have ever felt like that, this video is for you. So, for most of my 20s, I actually followed a very conventional path. I studied business in my degree program. I worked and built my career in sales and marketing roles in Singapore. I started a company from scratch and nurtured it. And I always had a goal that I was chasing, always about the next target, the next milestone, the next goal. And for a very long time, I thought that is how life is supposed to work. You keep moving forward, you keep building, you keep climbing. But life actually has a very funny way of teaching you the lessons you never really signed up for. So, over the last decade, I experienced certain things that made me slow down and reevaluate my life. I experienced setbacks, I experienced physical health struggles, I experienced burnout, and I also dealt with business challenges. And somewhere along the way, I asked myself a very, very difficult question. Am I really building the life that is truly meaningful for me? Or am I simply continuing down a path just because I've invested so much time and energy into it? And trust me, that is not an easy question to answer. Because when you've spent years building an identity for yourself and for the world, letting go of that identity is actually very terrifying. And I deeply believe that this is something a lot of women experience. We grow up with certain expectations, societal norms, and certain non negotiables. So, by a certain age, women are supposed to have everything all figured out: a stable career, financial independence, and a predictable future. And if you don't fit into that timeline, it is very easy to feel like you are falling behind. I remember looking around me and seeing that women actually are doing what the society seems to be telling us: advancing into their careers, getting married, growing their families, buying homes, and setting an established future for themselves. Meanwhile, at the age of 32, I'm asking myself, should I completely change that direction? And that is a very uncomfortable place to be. Because starting over sounds really exciting when people tell their stories after they have achieved some kind of success. But living through it is actually terrifying. When you're starting over, you are not confident. You are completely uncertain. You don't have all the answers. You don't know if you're making the right decision. And you really don't know how things will turn out. You just know that something inside of you is asking you to change. One of the hardest parts for me was becoming a beginner all over again. I don't think we talk about this enough. People celebrate being experts, they admire mastery. But very few people actually talk about the humility required to begin again. When I decided to move into this fitness industry, I did not have years of experience behind me. I was setting foot into a completely new industry and I had to start from scratch again. I had to accept that there are people younger than me that have years of experience behind them. And honestly, that can be very uncomfortable for my ego, especially when you've spent years being competent into another area of life. You suddenly go from being completely experienced to inexperienced. You go from teaching to learning. You go from leading to being guided. And the transition can be very vulnerable. And on top of that, there are financial fears that nobody talks about. Passion sounds wonderful, purpose sounds inspiring. but responsibilities still exist. If I'm being honest, there was a phase in my life where I questioned everything and I thought that I completely wasted my entire decade. And maybe some of you watching this video have felt the same way. Maybe you're in a career that no longer feels right. Maybe you're thinking about making a change. And maybe you're looking around and wondering, why does your journey look so different from the others? What I finally realized is that I did not waste anything in my life. In fact, only now I'm starting to realize why all of those experiences really matter. Because today I use my sales skills when I'm coaching my clients. I use my entrepreneurial skills for building systems and operations. And I use resilience from my failures to help my clients through setbacks. When a client struggles with inconsistency, I know what it is like to keep showing up even when the progress is slow. When someone feels overwhelmed in life, I know what it feels like to juggle responsibility. When someone loses confidence in themselves, I understand that too. And that's why I genuinely believe that nothing in life is wasted. Sometimes the dots only connect years later. Sometimes all the things that you thought was a detour actually ended up being your path all along. So if you're watching this video right now and you're also standing at a crossroad of life, I want to ask you a question. What is your goal, dream, or any idea that keeps popping up in your head all the time? Maybe there is a reason it will not leave you alone. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be all easy. Following your dream is never really easy. I've had to face a lot of challenges. But I think sometimes people on social media show that life is absolutely perfect. But in reality, it is not. There are days where you feel inspired. There are days where you question every single thing. And there are days where you are just absolutely terrified. But the difference is that I've stopped waiting to feel completely ready. I have learned something from fitness that applies to almost all areas of life. Most people quit before the efforts have had enough time to show you results. You almost never see results after one workout. You sometimes don't even see results after one whole week or after one whole month. But if you keep showing up, all those small efforts are going to add up one day. And I think life works the same way. Sometimes progress is happening long before you can see it. So it is imperative that you stay open to opportunities, that you stay open to possibilities, and that your life may unfold in a completely different way than you had expected. So if you're watching this video right now, I would like to remind you that being a beginner is not really a step backward. Sometimes it's the first step to becoming who you really want to be. My aim for this channel is to make it into a place where we can have honest and real conversations about fitness, health, mindset, and work together to build a strong, healthy, meaningful life as a woman. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if this resonated with you, do subscribe to my channel. Share your stories in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.